Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow camera permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to make changes. Now after opening the app, click on permissions. Now here you will see a camera options in allowed or not allowed section. So if you want to allow the camera permissions to this app, then tap on camera and select allow only while using the app, and then the camera permission will be allowed for this app. And if you don't want to allow this app to use camera, then tap on camera in the allowed section and select don't allow, and then the camera will be moved to the not allowed section. So that's how you can allow or don't allow camera permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.